Superb expiry yesterday. Finally, Nifty, move above the all-time highs. It hit, I think, 20,040 and settled at somewhere at 19,996. If you see the option chain data, it struggled a lot to move at these levels. If you are observing the charts and the live market, uh, especially Bank Nifty, since we were trading of course, we first initially yesterday also we had shared one call, if I remember, 45,100 on the YouTube itself. We mentioned about 300, we may see 340, 350 levels. These were also, of course, some of the trades, ICICI Bank and all that we had shared. 45,100 we mentioned about 316 may hit 375. It hit 375, made a high of 700 also, 600 also. So market Dow was very bullish. Every dip was being bought. Uh, Definitely the market had a target. It wanted to hit cross the all-time high. If you see the charts here, this is where it started. Opened at 45,359, moved down 45,262. It was trading at this point for almost from 10 o'clock till I think around 1:30. Post 1:30 slight up move, and then again finally at around 3:15 or 3 o'clock, two big 15 minutes candle we can see which hit 45,600. So this is how the market was, and if you see the FIs, they have just been selling on the cash all these days, and only yesterday they bought. So basically this is a index management is what we can say. And in terms of when you look at the derivatives data, they have written a lot of, I think they have bought futures, of course, and they have written a lot of puts for the last 2-3 days. Nifty has been moving up for almost 6 to 7 days straight, right from September September, I think 6th or so. It has just been moving up, or rather we can say even from September 4th. So there has to be some kind of a relief, that is fine. But now that market has crossed this all-time high, we will see different type of uh, movements. We may see different movements. And now today being a Sensex expiry, important levels for me today in FinNifty. Let me just share it to you. On the top side, I would be very keenly looking at 20,340, and if this moves above, then 20,410 is the next targets, and 20,470. On the lower side, important levels would be 20,238 and 20,002 sorry uh, 208 and 20,177. So that is how the important levels we will watch. Of course, when I say important levels to watch, doesn't mean that the market is this is support or resistance. We would see how market would react at these levels. Basis the price action, we would take decisions. We would look at data. We would also look at auto trades. That's a different trading system tool altogether, which we would be watching to take decisions. So we trade, in fact, on the long side yesterday, 45,400. Every time it moved about 200, we added for targets of 240, and this happened almost, I think, 3 or 4 times. And we also mentioned once price 45 400 moves about 240t, 242, we may see 300 to 340, and this actually happened. 242, 265, it sustained for a pretty long time and then hit 327. So market works on price action. Of course, people do follow some indicators and all that. But for us, primarily, we would suggest to look at price action. Important levels of Bank Nifty are 45,618, 45,772, and 45,911. 45,486, 45,382, 45. These are very keenly to be watched because I am calculating this on basis of various factors. Market is definitely overbought. PCR is also very high. There is again huge resistance or call writers still sitting at 20,000. But now we also would see put writers also have added at these levels. So we will have to watch who will give up, whether the call writers or the put writers. And now the expiry Nifty, we would of course market will give us chances. There will be some dips for us to add. Bank Nifty is of course evenly distributed. So and so is with Nifty. Let us share. We will share some of the calls or trades we're looking at. We are looking at Divis Lab. If the futures 3739 is moves above 39, then we may see 3754. And Oro Pharma, though I'm slightly bearish, if this moves about to 3873, I'm looking at targets of 880. Titan, we have, if you notice, has been very nice uptrend. We are holding this on equity. We have shared it to our friends and colleagues. Havels, we are looking at a dip. We are watching very keenly this particular stock. We might see some dip. We are waiting for price action. We will decide. Of course, it is very bullish. It has been again also, you notice, has been in a neat uptrend. Every dip, it has been bought. It is also now broken this trend line. So it may retest these levels and then move up. We will have to watch. IndusInd Bank, I'm looking at 1,400 call. If this moves above 41, then targets of 48 plus can be seen. Reliance also helped in the rally yesterday. It moved very slowly but steadily and then took up. It is a saying, slow but steady wins the race, and this is what happens. Gold has been, on the downtrend. As you notice, we have shared our targets and earlier that, and we're looking at this keenly because very important levels we would get to buy and for the next long-term perspective. So we will watch. It has been trading in this range. We might expect 48, 58, 440 and even lower. So thank you all for joining in. I hope our channel has been helpful. Of course, I'm sure people would love to also share some of their views and feedback. Uh, we would be happy to take. You can please share your feedbacks. Our WhatsApp is on 7411. I'll share the number. Share your feedback, how to help or improvise the channel. WhatsApp was on 7411234171. So we will take your views, and you can also join our training services. We provide mentorship, not exactly a training. It's a 3 months mentorship from basic to advanced, so that your foundation is strong, your data analysis is strong, your chart understanding is strong, and you are able to profit. So thank you. God bless you.